What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Gamers Matrix. I just figured I might as well go ahead and make this video, let you people know like what I've been doing. As you see in the video, this is my new gaming rig that I built up. This is literally like my first build. I'm very proud of it myself. Runs very well. Never had a problem with not one thing with this thing, with this unit so far. So let's go over like what I got going on for Cooler Master. For the case, it's a Cooler Master. What is it? Storm Stryker. I saw somebody that had this case. I kind of fell in love with the case. It was like a beautiful looking case. Let's see, optical drive. Of course, I went with Asus. What is it? This DVD, CD, writer, and all that. Then, I mean, I could have got a Blu-ray, but what's the purpose? I mean, like, seriously. I mean, until Blu-rays are really like the main thing, then I might get another optical drive for Blu-ray. But until then, I don't really need it. Alright, let's go into the main unit itself. Now, let me remind people, like I said, this is my first build and this is not finalized, okay? Most of these parts in here, they're just there just to make sure that everything runs cool for cool for right now, but I do plan on upgrading like some of the parts in here. The things I don't think I'm going to be upgrading right now unless they just clunk out is probably the motherboard and the CPU itself. But other than that, the CPU cooler I'll upgrade, maybe the power supply I'll upgrade, and most possibly the graphic card I'll upgrade. Until then, everything else is just A-okay. It's A1. I ain't got no problems with what I'm running right now. I do plan on getting another card running SLI, but this thing runs surprisingly so smooth. So I don't really have much to worry about with this unit. Anyway, I went with what is this? MSI Z77 GD65. It has a socket of 1155 socket for CPUs. I'm running an Intel Core i5 3570K unlocked and unleashed, and I'm overclocking at the 4.0 gigahertz, running a Cooler Master Evo 212 Hyper. I meant to say Hyper Evo 212. And I mean, I'm getting like fluctuations of heat dispersion, like I think like it's like about 3742 Celsius. So I mean, it's doing its job for right now. I could buy like another 120 millimeter fan and put it on the other side just for a little bit more cooling power, but I've seen like another cooler, CPU cooler, that I might probably end up getting that instead. So I'm only running 8 gigabytes. I don't really see a need for like way higher. I do plan on getting like 16 gigabytes. That's just going to be 2 more cards for me. And I'm running low profiles because this fan takes up room, so definitely don't want to be running the ones with the higher profile to it. For my graphic card, I chose let me go down here. Might be a little bit better. Running EVGA Geforce GTX 760 Superclock Boy, and I gotta say, it's running. It runs very well. Got that off Amazon. It was like what, $259.99. That was like the same exact price for like a GTX 660 Ti, and they're both great cards. So I ended up just saying, screw it, I'll just get like the upgrade. I might as well, fuck it. And my favorite part literally is like, I love this case. This case has exhaust in the front, well, that blows the air in, and it has one in the upper area. Of course, you have the exhaust. Now, I know a lot of people use like liquid cooling. I'm choosing not to go with liquid cooling. That's just me, don't bash on me. For my lights, I do probably plan on changing those, but my lights are, I think they're called Logitech white bars or something like that. They're decent. I mean, you know, they illuminate my entire casing. So nothing really major. But other than that, it was very fun putting this entire unit together. And I'm proud of it. You know, I'm proud. Like, I can play almost, well, not even almost. I can play pretty much every game out right now on Steam with no problems whatsoever. The graphic card is very efficient with the new drivers and everything. It plays nice. I get great frame rates out of everything. The CPU being unlocked to 4 gigahertz. I mean, need I say it anymore, you know? But other than that, this is my main unit. And it took me about, it took me like 6 months because I was buying every part individually. But it was fun putting this together. Like, literally, it was very fun putting this together. I still plan on getting PlayStation 4, but you already know. You already know. Peace out. It's your boy 313 Sephiroth, and like always here on the Gamers Matrix, keep on gaming, people.